So I also took this opportunity to clean the filters and wipe down some grease. Clean it back in should be very simple, just like that. Okay. Same thing for the other one. And then we're gonna have one final test. Now I'm gonna test and see with the covers back on if it's able to hold on to it, suck onto these styrofoam plates like it was advertised to do. I have it on full. Oh yeah, that's good suction right there. We already tested it out with smoke and the smell. Okay, so let me gradually decrease it. Okay. Alright, still good. I wonder if it's going to eventually drop though. Or even on the low. What about 1? Ah. Wow, I'm surprised.